Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. So I have these doorbusters from Rong Rong, as well as one of her pet tapes that was not a doorbuster, I believe. And let me go ahead and show you. So I got This Is My Year, The Rainbow Girls, Let's Get Crafty, and Live in a Moment. And the pet tape is also Live in a Moment. So I'm gonna start with the pet tape and show you each of the sticker books after. So let's see. It is quite long and it doesn't repeat very much, I think. Let's see. Still no repeat. This is where the repeat starts. So yeah, this is quite long. So I'm gonna be cutting this into pieces and storing them. So I will show you how I store them. So they sit in a storage like this, and I have florals, and then like all of my girls are in here, including my Rong Rong, like this or this. So yeah, so this is where I'm going to be placing them in. I still have some room. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, it saved me so much storage by cutting my washi tapes like this, and it's easy access because I'm able to just flip through all of them at once. But anyway, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let me go ahead and get This Is My Year. I forgot that I have this book. I just found it, you guys. But yes, so this is my second copy. But look how stunning it is. No magic. Top priorities. So quite a few boxes and quite a few decorative boxes, which is fantastic too. Those little boxes, days of the week, months, some empty ones. Then we have those circles, clean day, plan, shopping, due date, errands, important. And then we have regular headers. And we have workout, meeting, relax, coffee date, family time, and workout. And now we get into the clear stickers, which are fully decorative and they're beautiful. Look at this. Throw kindness around like it's confetti. Be your own kind of beautiful. You are capable of amazing things. We have a girl squad here. She believed she could, so she did. Baby steps every day. Hustle, baby, hustle. Adventure awaits. Good vibes only. You have what it takes. So it's very like boss babe oriented, I want to say. We have those girl groups, which are amazing. See, girl boss. A grocery. I did not flip through these, by the way. I just opened up my packages and unfoiled them, so it would be easier on the video and not as noisy. So yeah. Lady Boss. Yeah, these are stunning. And this is the last one. So yeah, this is great. So this is my first one. So she does draw her own stickers. Now we have the Rainbow Girls, which I didn't even know she has this book. This is my, oh, this is a 10-year celebration. I see. Cool. Okay. So red is passion, love, desire. Look how pretty. When you're in doubt, wear red. And then you have all of these different girls. Pink is feminine, playful, comforting, and kind. Life is better in pink. These are stunning. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Orange is happy, creative, and exciting. Orange is the happiest color. I thought yellow was, but orange is pretty close. Yellow is cheerful, optimistic, energetic, and happiness. Yellow is the color of happiness. Yep, it is. Green is harmony, health, growth, and prosperity. Look at these girls. Feeling grand in green. Yeah, I love wearing green, you guys. Yeah, I love these girls. Blue is trust, your loyalty, peace, confidence. Feeling beautiful. I love that she includes florals. Purple is royalty, imagination, inspiring, and luxury. Purple is my happy place. So I don't know how many of you guys love purple, but I heard that that's the most common favorite color. And then right after that is blue. Black is elegant, attractive, powerful, and mysterious. Black is the new black, which is true. And then white is clarity, clean, new beginnings, impartial, and hope. White is always in style. Yeah, I am obsessed with this book. I had no idea that this was it. But yeah, that's stunning. Then Let's Get Crafty, and it's a premium sticker book, so I do not have that one till now. Neither. The only repeat is This Is My Year. Like I said, all the other ones are new to me. This is stunning and kind of fun. Yeah. Look at these. These are bullet points. Little buttons. Crafty. Material girl. Happiness is craftiness. Yeah. For me, for sure. More bullet points. And then you have these smaller, like, round stickers. She made layered collections for us, so we can just put them up. Look at this page. Oh my gosh, this looks like a junk journal in heaven here. Look at that. Then you have the alphabet. And then we have some colorful backing. So we have pinks. At least the stickers, like the round outline of the sticker is white. So I really don't mind the background. And then you can cut this up and use it as little pieces in your spread. So that is very creative. I am so thankful that she puts a white edge to her stickers. I really do not like colored backing on my stickers unless I make it. So yeah, this is the Let's Get Crafty. And then the last one, which is Live in the Moment, which if you guys saw my setup video for 2025, this is the dividers and cover that I chose for my planner. I'm a little obsessed with this. I'm kind of mad at myself that I didn't grab 2 of those. But yeah, this is a stunning, stunning book. But I did get the tape, pet tape just in case. Yeah, this is beautiful. So very like elegant and chic, and that's what I was going for. So this is definitely a sticker book for me. Okay, even those quotes are just so stunning, and this backing is incredible. So this is one large sticker, I believe. Yes. So that's beautiful. And then we have the clear stickers with lots of girls. I love this little Parisian. Look at that. Very like chic. Live in a moment. Some books. Okay. You are the writer of your story, which is true. Make your life extraordinary, which is true. And then you get these roses. These are really stunning books. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the pet tape with you guys and show you how I slip it in here, and we'll go from there. So let me find the empty. Here's my empty. I did divide it, so it's like I have florals, then I have girls, like different girl pet tapes in here. Gosh, this one folded. More girls, and then this is all coffee back here. So lots of pet tapes for me. If you guys know me, you already know I am kind of obsessed with those. So these are kiss cuts, so you just peel them off and you're good to go. So that's really nice. Okay, and I don't mind my pet tape sticking out a little. I really don't. So I'm gonna kind of cut them accordingly. Yeah, let's put it right here. And yeah, the cuts are not like perfect or anything like that. So okay, so for this one, because this is one large piece, I'm gonna have to fussy cut around these elements to put this in. Like I said, some of them will be longer, some of them will be shorter. I'm okay with both. Okay, so then this one is gonna go right here because again of that big piece. So I'm gonna have, looks like 4 different pieces here. And then we'll slip them once I'm done into the thing, and that'll be it. Okay. So let me know how you guys store your pet tapes. I used to store them in those clear washer drawers, but then I decided that that was no longer sufficient because they were sitting there and I wasn't using them. I've already used so much more pet tape ever since purchasing this storage. So I already know that this was the right move and investment for me. However, it did take quite a while to sit and cut all of these tapes accordingly because you do have to invest the time to do that. But outside of that, like I said, this was completely worth it for me. I also know that Rong Rong has pet tape storage and hers is lovely. I got this before she released hers, like way before. So I already had a system and I didn't want to invest in another one because I like all of mine to be the same. And then all of my other pet tapes are stored in a different binder. I'll show you the other 2 things that I have in 1 second, the minute we're done cutting this. So yeah, that is quite a bit of tape that I was able to cut. Let's see. So this is matching. This is matching. This is a little longer, but that's okay. And then this will go here. Okay. So now these have separators in between them. So I'm just gonna slide this one in and it will live right here. And like I said, I don't care that it's longer. I really don't mind. As long as they're contained and I can flip through and see them, that's all I care about. So, okay. So there's this, and then I have 2 more. So let's put this one in here. And like I said, these are already kiss cut, so when you take them out, it's gonna be super, super simple. And one more. Right, yeah, okay. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so yeah, so this is for like a regular pet tape. This is my storage. The other one that I have is not as full, and that's mostly different pet tapes with like clouds, Christmas stuff, scenes, and I have still plenty of space left for designs. And then my big ones, like 6-inch ones, are in a binder, so those live in here. Those are my extra cutouts. But yeah, the big ones that don't fit in those live in here, like coffee and different splotches and stuff. Those are 6 to 8-inch tapes, and those sit in here. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know, and then I'll see you soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.